your bedtime story, Slimey. Now, let's see. The Adventures of Trash Gordon, Chapter 538. Last left our hero, Trash Gordon. He was stranded on the planet Gorgonzola, surrounded by the dreadfully smelly, hotly pungent, stinky cheese guy. Things didn't look good for Trash. They didn't smell too good either. When all of a sudden, Trash Gordon let out a heroic sneeze. Which sent the stinky cheese guy hurtling and stinking through space. Trash laughed and said heroically,
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter D and by the number 17.
Little fella. That's enough excitement for one day. Now, off to sleep. We'll have another chapter tomorrow. Rotten dreams. Hey, you didn't see me tucking in. Now, Graham, huh?